Hey everyone, welcome back to the Excel Tips and Tricks channel. Today we're going to learn how to use the HLOOKUP function to retrieve product data based on their ID number. Let's get started. First, I have already created the data for this tutorial. Start by selecting the cell where you want the result to appear. Type equals HLOOKUP. Next, enter the product ID number you're looking up. This is your lookup value. After that, insert a comma. Select the entire table that contains the data. This range should include the row with product IDs and the rows with the data you want to retrieve. Insert another comma. After selecting the table, press F4 to fix the table reference. Dollar signs will appear in the formula to lock the table range. Insert another comma. Type the row number from which you want to retrieve the data. For example, if you want the data from row 3, type 3. If you want data from row 2, type 2. Insert another comma. You'll see two options, true for an approximate match or false for an exact match. Select false for an exact match, or you can also type 0 instead of false. Close the bracket and press enter. Excel will return the data based on the product ID you entered.
If you want to apply this to other rows, just drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to other cells. Excel will automatically adjust the references.
Let's see what happens if you enter an invalid row number. For example, if your data contains only 5 rows and you enter 6 in the formula, Excel will return an error. This is because the row number you specified exceeds the number of rows available in your table. You'll get an error. To avoid this error, make sure to enter the correct row number in the formula. This ensures that you retrieve the right value from your data table. Finally, let's explore how to use the HLOOKUP function across 2 different workbooks. Simply type the HLOOKUP formula. Then select the data from another worksheet. Insert a comma, select the table, type the column number, and hit enter. Bingo! Our result will be displayed in the other sheet.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.